Hello, this is video demonstration for an online examination system that we developed for EduTech Technologies Private Limited. So this online examination system has already been published. So we will go to the Chrome and here we will type the domain of that online examination system oes.edutech.com. This is an online examination system. Here the user has to register first and then he can take the test, but before that you should also have the admin rights that will provide you to prepare the test for the students that they are recruiting. So to visit that admin page, we will write here admin, and the admin panel is here. We will write the username and password for the admin. Okay, the username is edutechco and the password is, I can tell you, I will enter that. Okay, now we can see that in another page, that online examination system as new, where we can manage the results, we can manage subjects, we can manage the users, we can prepare the question, we can manage the test. So first we will manage a subject. Okay, so here we will add a subject. Subject name is suppose information IT, we say, and the description is about information technology. Okay, so we will save this. Now we have a subject name IT with the subject description information technology. Now again we will visit the dashboard. Here we have added the subject. Now we will manage a test on this subject. To add a test, we will click on add button. Here we can choose the subject name. So here all the three subjects are coming. We have given the subject IT, so we'll choose IT. We will give test name as IT22, description as information technology test 22. Total questions, we can give as many questions, but for this video, as we have to add the questions also, so we are giving the minimum of 2 questions. Okay, the duration will also be 2 minutes, and test will start from here. The calendar opens. Okay, the test will start on 9th October only, as today the date is 9th October, and it will end at 10th October. Between this duration, between these dates, you can give the test, and the secret code of the test is, let's say, 110027. Do remember the secret code. We save the test. Now the test is saved. Now we have to manage the questions. We will go on the dashboard. We will prepare questions. Now for which subject we need to prepare questions, here the description is IT22 is the name of the test, information technology test 22 is the description of the test. This is the secret code, this is the subject name, is valid from this to this days and time it is given. Now here we will click to manage the questions. Okay, no questions yet as we haven't yet added the questions, so we will add a question. So here we can add whatever the question is. What is the capital of India? So here is option is Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and what we else can say is Bihar. We will choose the correct answer, that is answer B, and we will add a number of marks, 5. Okay, now we will save this. Now this test will not go live until we will add one more questions. As before in the test we have given that there will be 2 questions to assess. So status here is written, still you need to create one more question. Then only the test will be available for the candidate. So we will add one more question. full form of UN. United Nations. Union new. Ultra naming or United New Man. Correct answer is option A. So we will give positive +5. So let's say it's +4. We can also give different marks to different questions. We will save it as, and now you can say that all the questions are created for this test. Okay. Now we will again go to manage tests. We will go to dashboard. Okay. We have managed the subject. We have created the test. We have created the questions. Here we can manage the users. These are the number of users still available on this, but we will create one more user. We'll go to dashboard. Okay, we will log out. So now we will go to oes.edutech.com for candidate. Suppose I am a candidate. Okay, I will register first. I am registering my name. Username is grv922222, or I would say let's say my name is grv9212. Okay, my password is like Gaurav. Again I type the password Gaurav. Email ID is gaurav.chattwl92@gmail.com. Contact number is 9999476893. Address is someone like D310 Tagore Garden, New Delhi 10027. City is New Delhi. C. Only alphabets are allowed, so Delhi. And here no alphanumeric digits are allowed, so only numeric digits are allowed. So I will say OK, as it is a pin code. So 110027. I'm registering. Duplicate entry for key email ID. So the same email ID has already been registered. So we will try with another one. Gaurav email ID g12@gmail.com. Contact number is 9947. Okay, D10 Delhi 10027. Okay, now we register. Now you can see that it has already been registered. We can now log in. Now click on login now. I will enter grv9221 grv9221 and my password was Gaurav Gaurav. Now see, the subject which I provided to the candidate through the admin login ID password is available here as a candidate. Now I can take the test. Every candidate can't take the test unless and until he knows the test code. Okay, then I will enter the test code 110027 and I will start test. Now you can see the test has been started. Was it the capital of India? I say Delhi. I will go to next. Then full form of UN, I will say United Nations. See, the timer here is 2 minutes only. I can also mark for review. I will mark this question for review. View summary. Now here it is written then status is review, not answer. Change to, I will click here, change your answer. I will enter United questions. I will say next. I didn't mark it for review this time. It is now again view summary. Now I have been answered. I will submit it finally. Okay. Now I will log out. Now the admin will check the results from admin account where it is like. Now I will enter login. Now here I can manage the results. I will click on manage results. Of which test I have to manage the results? It is of IT22. See, attempted students is 1 written here, and I can go to details, click on details. See, GRV9221 is the name of the student, g12@gmail.com is the email ID, obtained marks are 14, and the result is like this. Okay, back. So through this panel, a company can organize tests for the students for the recruitment of in their company, and the students can also give tests at their own places. Oh, you can note the web domain oes.edutech.com. Thank you for viewing our video.